something you don't see every day. Good crack, Mrs. B.
We have a concrete block in the kitchen.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hey, Mrs. B.
Hi.
High five. She's my wife. Welcome to another Kitchen Hacks testing video. The playlist in which, Mrs. B,
we find hacks that you've sent or off the internet to make supposedly your life easier in the kitchen, and we try them out.
And maybe your life that 1% easier, or sometimes 100% more frustrating. Mrs. B tends to find awesome ones. I tend to find ones that don't work so well, but it's my choice today, and the ones I found, I think some of them just work, and I'm more worried about how to test them. And the other ones, well, we will jolly well see. Mrs. B has no idea what the hacks are, do you?
No idea.
But first, before we get started, on the TikTok breakfast recipe, that was the last one we filmed as we film in this video. Mrs. B, you did a charity walk, and you guys have like 8x'd her total as we talk right now, which is amazing. I got to eat great breakfast that day, and you guys made some money for charity.
We did, yeah. Thank you so much. Appreciate it very much. And I'm sure the charity does, not just me.
First hack, have you ever been in a situation where you have got a pack of eggs like this, and you're like, hey, I want to open these eggs up, right?
Yeah.
I want to poach my egg inside the shell.
Can you do that?
I don't know. That's our job. I'm 50-50 on this. I have never seen it. We're going to need some cling film. So wrap master, Mrs. B, yeah? And I am going to boil a kettle. We need to cover the eggs fully in boiling hot water as quick as it boils, and then cover it in the cling film, which is going to sort of seal the egg and the heat in there. And after 11 minutes, Mrs. B, we should be able to crack out in the shell, crack out of this egg a poached egg. Yeah, literally.
Okay. I'm not sure. I reckon it'd be more like a boiled egg.
Yeah. Ooh, that's hot. Oh my gosh.
Why is it doing that?
Little air bubble. There we go.
Okay. Right. Should we time 11 minutes?
Yes. 1, 2, 3. No, whilst these are cooking, another hack for you, alright? For you. This is always for you. Not for us, it's for you. Hack number 2. Mrs. B, have you ever been in a situation where you are about to eat a cupcake, but there is a mound of icing / frosting, depending on where you are in the world, right? And you're like, I don't want that to hit my delicate nose. I want to eat it like a dainty queen.
Yes.
You have?
Yeah.
Well, I've got the hack for you.
Not a fork?
Didn't really think of that.
No.
Well, that's polite to eat a cupcake with a fork. You've destroyed my vision now. Yeah, a fork just does it.
Yeah, come on then, what's your hack?
Oh, I'll show you.
A bit more exciting than a fork.
A bit. It's just really smart and
It's
just
a
like.
spoon.
So, like, you would go to eat this and be like, ugh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what this person does is they take half of it like this, and they sit it on top like a burger.
I make it like.
Ah.
But that's a good idea. But I feel like you would get quite messy trying to break off half of the cupcake.
Oh wow, you did it amazingly. Oh my gosh, you're an expert. Yeah, look at that. You've got like a cupcake burger. See?
Sandwich.
So that's the whole thing. So now, this is a lot of frosting in there.
Now this looks like, I feel like I've eaten even more than when I was when it was a cake.
Yeah, it does suddenly feels like, oh cool, I can't eat that in one go.
Yeah.
But I thought that was just quite a simple, I think that was on like a talk show or something.
That worked.
Just said off camera, oh, that was quite a good one, right? But remember, we need to save one for our thumbnail. Luckily, I meant that's why I bought the other pack, so we can kind of do that. So, yeah. Well, happy now? It's not a bad breakfast. All right, folks, it has been 11 minutes, and I think we're going to leave one for a little bit longer. Sounds hard, doesn't it? Oh my gosh.
That worked?
That semi-worked.
Kind of. I think it needs a bit longer, look.
Does it need a little bit longer?
Yeah, because that white is still quite see-through.
Hey, it's not a white.
No.
It's a good job we've got another one cooking in there, for, well, that's been another minute by the time we've done that. Maybe we'll give that other one 5 more minutes, but we've got enough eggs here, we could try it again. I'm actually quite impressed by that.
And me? I think a little bit longer.
Yeah.
And it's almost done.
Let's go for it. It's been about another 4 or 5 minutes. Right, here we go. Oh!
Hey!
What the heck is that?
That's worked.
It's gonna be runny, isn't it?
It is. Look. That's clever.
That's amazing. I'm getting emotional. It worked.
You found a good one. 2 good ones in a row.
Yeah.
Well done.
Right. What goes good with eggs?
Bread.
Yeah. Anything else?
Bacon.
Bacon, yes. Folks, do you ever want to have less fat on your bacon? Basically, this is a hack where you make a rack, boom, in our oven to hang bacon on. And it's going to drip down onto this tray, collecting the fat here for healthy bacon. I have seen this hack. The bacon, as a result, looked absolutely horrendous. I feel like it's, you know how you and I, when we have bacon, we've talked about this before, Mrs. B likes it incinerated. I like mine a little bit soft incineration. This was kind of like both combined and it just looked awful. But
So why are we doing it?
I don't know. Well, I want to see if we can, that could be because of all the, actually I think it's because all the moisture's out of it.
Yeah, it will just like, surely a bit like that will finish like that.
Yeah. And we've got 2 types of bacon here, okay? We have got some rashers, which have got a lot more fat on them, potentially. And some more, well, this is, I guess, slightly more common in the UK, the back bacon. You can get both, but this, whenever I've grown up, this was more the bacon I had. I don't know about you.
Yeah.
Yeah? We actually only need 1 skewer, really, but I figured that Mrs. B and I could have our own skewer. How lucky are we?
Ooh,
So we could cook them to the doneness that we want. Thread it onto your skewer like that, okay? So just thread it on. You see? So you've got it like this. That's hot! Ah!
Right, yeah, I am holding it with both my hands.
It's something you don't see every day. Like a pair of bacon socks on a washing
That's
line.
weird.
It is, isn't it? So in they go. Look at that! That is so strange. Yeah, just have a drink. Right. This was not a hack, it was a photo that went like really viral on Twitter a couple of days ago, and I was like, oh, I guess we can make that a hack thing. So just feel, with these wings, right, just feel how much juice is in there. Is there a bit in there? Is it just me?
There's quite a lot in there.
Yeah, but you're not getting it, right? That's where this comes in, right? Check this out. You have to just drink it through here. This is, like, what we've just done. You've put your straw in, okay?
Yeah.
You've gone in like this.
Yeah.
And you're drinking, well, oh, actually, it doesn't even hit the bottom, does it? That's probably why. Look at that. Yeah. Look, you're there. If I go to the same height, that's why. You're about there.
That's why you're missing it.
There was a picture that went viral online where if you put it in like this, and then you have the angle that can get you into all the corners. Can you see?
That's
Do you know what I mean?
Idea. How's it taken all these years for that?
Look, you see?
Oh yeah. See, that's even an old photo. That's like been about.
We've now got to drink some more juice, sorry. Okay, look, that is locked in to one of the corners. So what I'm going to do, for you guys, I'm going to neck this. Oh my gosh, look.
Done it?
It kind of bent up, but I managed to get... Oh no, look, there's still a teeny bit in there. Can you see that? That has all come out of that. There is not a little bit of squash in there. However, this one...
Wow, there's quite a lot in there.
That is crazy. You see that, folks? Did I even get that in a shot? Sorry. Look, that is absolutely nuts. What do you think about that?
Oh, I think that's another good one.
Yeah?
I think you're on a bit of a roll today.
Yeah. Oh, wow! Looks way better than the photo I saw. It feels very dry. Wow, that has caught a fair bit of something, hasn't it?
It has some fat.
That is a bit of fat, isn't it?
Yeah.
There is a little, probably a mixture of fat and water, but it has definitely dried out, this bacon.
It doesn't look as bad as I thought though. I thought it might shrivel up completely. It has shriveled up a bit.
Yeah. It's still quite moist actually.
It's a bit chewy.
I just had a rasher, and that was actually still quite chewy. I think because it has those like strands of the sort of fat running through it.
This is very chewy.
What, the back bacon?
Yeah.
Let me try another piece. It looks like a piece of leather. Oh yeah. That's like eating an old sock.
Yeah.
Honestly, the rasher is good.
Maybe that's because it's got more fat in it to start with.
Yeah.
I will not be cooking bacon like that.
I think conclusion for rashers, you see your standard one like strippy fat works well. The back bacon, which is shriveled up to exactly the same thing, too leathery. So it does work depending on the bacon.
Yeah.
A compromise?
Yeah.
Anyhow, this morning I went on a wild goose chase. Not literally, that would have been quite fun. I go to the supermarkets, generally last thing at night or first thing in the morning to get my ingredients, and I popped normally to 1 or 2 supermarkets. Today I had to give it a 5, and at the last one I managed to get coconuts. You wouldn't think such a typical British staple would be hard to get, but it generally really was. So I was panicking, wasn't I?
You were.
Mrs. Bay, you ain't got coconuts. Last time we did a coconut, we cut it in half. I used my angle grinder, which I might do again. Got a real nice smooth cut on it. Blooming stunk, didn't it?
Yeah, do not do it inside, please.
Yeah, I'll do it in the garage.
Yes.
Also, we set fire to it on the hob.
Oh, yeah.
That was you, wasn't it? Oh, there's no danger this week, no danger.
It's actually on fire, the coconut.
It blooming stunk. Genuinely 5 days, our house in here, we had people over as well. It stank of singed coconut.
And lots of little black bits of coconut.
Yeah, like the husk or the tusk or whatever it is, like just kept randomly falling down. It's like, was that a fly? Oh no, it's a bit of coconut, sorry.
Yeah.
What was the point of that hack that we did where we set it on fire?
It was to get the shell off easily.
Yeah, to reveal just the white
flesh.
goodness.
Yeah.
Well, we are exactly going to do the same, except this time, apparently if you boil coconut halves in water, it should make it popping out the shell much easier.
Not a whole coconut? You can't just boil a whole one?
But we've still got to get it open then. I did get sent this thing, check this out. Yeah, someone genuinely was very kind to send me this from, I think, Jamaica?
Oh, wow.
This is like a
cool.
actual coconut kit. I think it's something like that and you whack it.
I reckon that you use that for that and you go around like this. Can I try with this?
Okay, I'll leave you to it. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling. You can turn it on and off as much as you like. And I'm gonna go in the garage with my angle grinder and do this fairly neatly.
Hang on.
I'll let her work it out. See you in a bit.
I don't know. Oh, no, because this is sharp. Oh, he stopped. Oh. Oh. Oops. Oh, ouch. Ow. Oh, I'm in. I gotta do it before he gets back. I gotta beat him. Oh no. I think it's just getting a chunk off. Oh no.
What the? I'm not gonna say mine's perfect, but
Oh, well done.
the garage is out of bounds, by the way. It stinks in here. Oh!
Yes.
Yes! Good crack, Mrs. B. Mrs. B's technique has, oh, nearly cut her hand off. Taken the hard shell off, but you've actually left yourself with an almost perfect half.
Yeah, I do not know how.
Where there's hard shell underneath, so we can still do the hack with yours as well.
Okay.
So maybe we do 1/2 of each. Apparently we boil that for 5 minutes
Okay.
and it should pop out of its shells, leaving just the white inside.
Oh.
Once it's cooled. I don't think this is going to work. It is like Flight of the Navigator, folks. Remember that film?
No.
Brilliant. We're going to give those coconuts the best chance possible to work, so they're cooling down fully. Mrs. B?
We have a concrete block in the kitchen.
Have you ever been in a situation where you've got a YouTube comment that really intrigued you for a potential hack?
Oh no.
A long-time supporter of the channel, 2CV Bloke, thanks for this comment, suggests that if we get a hard stone like this, I should read the comment out. If you are missing a tin opener and have a tin with no ring pull top, rub it on a flat stone surface, for example, a paving slab, a brick, a recently poured and cured concrete for a studio kitchen, etc., right? To grind the top ridge off the rolled seam down. And then with a few gentle squeezes of the sides, the top will pop off, and it can also be done with sandpaper and metal files.
This sounds like that paper one all over again, but more extreme.
That's exactly what it is. So we have got a concrete block from our actual build, which as you can see is right there. We are nearly there. I have got 2 tins with the rolled seam. I assume that's what's needed here. You have to grind this bit down.
Which bit?
I think it's this bit here.
Oh, you grind it. Oh,
Yeah.
So,
So we just literally rub it on here.
Oh my gosh, that smell.
Oh, sorry. Was that me?
It's like burning metal.
Oh, we're doing it right then.
We're gonna cause a fire.
How are we going to cause a fire?
I don't know.
That is taking bloomin' ages.
This is ridiculous. Like, who would ever have the time to do this or even think of it?
Look.
Stop.
Ah,
You done it.
I've got spaghetti coming out. Look, Beck, it's gone in.
So now,
Look, oh,
you done it.
yay. Do you know what? I found that really easy.
Do you know what? I knew it was hard work.
Do you know what? I knew it was hard work for you.
I think that was a good one.
2CV bloke, you've been around a long time. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for that suggestion. Back to the coconuts.
Oh yeah.
Really?
What did you do? You just squeeze it?
Well, I think they did use a spoon, to be fair to it. Oh, that's really tough still.
I got that bit off.
Yes. I mean, we will take that. Oh, look. Ah, that's what I thought would happen. Because this stuff is really well joined to there. Like when you buy it in the supermarkets in pieces, it's got sections like that. I reckon one day there's going to be like an ultimate coconut hack where it just pops out. It'll be genius. But I'm really happy with that. You can have all that part there. I mean, it sounds really weird. I'm thinking, oh yeah, this is a sort of fail, sort of pass. And I'm thinking, oh, that the tin of bean one was a fail, but it wasn't. That was a pass.
You did it.
I'm just knackered.
You have not done any hack today that has failed. That is a first.
Right. Thanks, Mrs. B.
Well done.
If you've enjoyed this hacks video, you might enjoy the other ones. They're normally good fun. We'll find some good ones, some bad ones. So do put on your sweatband, have a bar of fun, grab the popcorn, goes on for ages. Any cool hacks, do keep them coming in on your social media platform of choice. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Make sure your notifications are turned on so they tell you about all new videos. And we love you. That's it, isn't it?
That's it.
Thanks for watching. Favourite hack today?
Cake.
Some real stonkers today, guys. Thanks so much. See you later. Bye.
If I take you to my crib, you'll be in for a thrill. I'll be spitting on the menu, chuck some food on the grill. I like to do my cooking at 10 to 9. You can do it anytime and you'll be just fine.
I can't get my breath. I'm so tired from that thing. I think I'm traumatised.